Alright, we decided we're going to go off the boardwalk, and we have a very small waterfall back here. We're going to walk over and take a look at it, or get as close as we can to it. Because looks like it can or may be a little muddy, but when you find the best trail, which I'm thinking it may be this one. Okay, sure found a better one. So let's see what we got here. It's a very small waterfall. Regardless, it's so comfortable as far as the temperatures and all. Very comfortable. Wind ain't blowing. Ain't you glad you didn't bring your coat now? I think we'd maybe sweating a little if we brought a coat. Man, there's a little part of it. I'll walk around here to where we maybe get right in front of the fall.
There, if you can.
Let's see what I can see of it. Almost right into a spider. Okay, I made it to right in front of the waterfall. But makes noise. Water's falling. We like. So we're going to go get back up on the boardwalk and continue on down. Okay, we're going back up onto the boardwalk. And we're going to continue on down. Do yourself a favor, if you've never been to this place, like we hadn't, really need to come and see it. That's where we just was, and this is where we're going to head on out. But it's going to come to an end of another short. Be sure to watch our video to see it all at once. Thanks for watching.